Today is World Mental Health Day, and it turns out Nevada is not the best state for people looking to get help.
Nevada was ranked the worst state for mental health resources in a study. Fox 5's Kylie Gaylor took a look into the problem.
Health advocates told me mental health is really a crisis across the nation, including right here in Clark County. Our brain is a part of the body, right? A big part. But for a lot of people, it's easier to talk about a broken ankle than it is a mental illness. It's why days like today, World Mental Health Day, are crucial. It gets people talking, and talking could lead to change.
Access to care is a huge issue.
Shar Frost spent the last decade helping Valley families struggling with mental illness. Her expertise?
I'm the mom of a kid who had mental health issues.
Her son was diagnosed with PTSD and later depression.
It didn't even occur to me when I first held this child in my arms the first time that he was going to end up with a mental health disorder that needed to be addressed in a way that I couldn't address at home.
There's no manual.
I had to navigate this big, scary system.
Frost told me Clark County needs more resources. In August, state regulators shut down Monte Vista Hospital. It was Southern Nevada's largest inpatient provider for kids.
And those are our kids who have just reached such a level of need that they can't be maintained in the home and the community.
Department of Health and Human Services said the hospital failed to make improvements to bring it up to code.
I think the community needs access, but they need access to quality services, quality providers.
Frost told me hundreds of Valley families are forced to get help out of state.
They don't have contact with their families. They don't have access to the providers.
The American Association of Suicidology said Nevada has the 11th highest suicide rate in the country. And while the overall suicide rate went down in Nevada, teen suicides spiked.
I worry that the social media is so prevalent.
90% more teens in Clark County took their own life in 2018 than the year before.
The best we can do is continue talking about it. I want people to know that there's hope.
Frost is with different health advocate boards, and they are working to get more people to work in the mental health field and get the proper training. They're also looking into expanding a mobile crisis response team. So what can you do besides talking about mental health with your family or your friends? Frost told me she encourages people to reach out to their legislators and city officials. Let them know if you think mental health needs to be more of a priority. And if you or someone you know does need help, we've posted some hotlines on our website, fox5vegas.com. In the Content Center, Kylie Gaylor, Fox 5 News, Local, Las Vegas.